How to add a watermark in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the edit page. This is where you will be able to add elements like images or text directly onto your video timeline. Next, import your watermark image by clicking on the media pool and dragging your image file into it. Make sure your watermark is a PNG file with a transparent background for the best result. Then, drag the watermark from the media pool onto a new video track above your main video in the timeline. You can now adjust its position by selecting the watermark clip, going to the inspector panel, and using the zoom and position controls to resize and place it exactly where you want. After that, lower the opacity if needed, still from the inspector, to make sure the watermark is visible but not distracting. You can also add a fade in or fade out effect by dragging the handles at the start or end of the watermark clip. If you want the watermark to stay throughout the entire video, make sure the watermark clip matches the full length of your video. Just stretch it along the timeline to the very end. Finally, once everything looks good, go to the deliver page, choose your export settings and render the video. Your watermark will now be embedded in the exported file. And that's it. Now you know how to add a watermark in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.